Another setback for the Congress party as Arvinder Singh Lovely joins the Bharatiya Janata Party. The former Congress president of the Delhi unit and also one of the tall leaders in the party, Mr. Lovely, has joined Bharatiya Janata Party today in presence of Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and also Vinod Tavade. In fact, this joining has been anticipated by a lot in the Congress and also within the circles of Delhi's political corridors. In fact, now this joining has been done and in fact, Mr. Lovely had resigned from his post of Delhi president of the Congress unit approximately 10 to 15 days back. In fact, that when that entire fiasco broke out, he only maintained one thing, that he is only resigning from his post and not from the party. But today, he has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, he praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership and said that the work which he was not able to do from last many years, now he's sure that he will be able to do under the leadership of PM Narendra Modi. In fact, this is not his first time being in the Bharatiya Janata Party, but this is his second stint with the BJP. Earlier back in April 2017, when he actually joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, and then again after approximately 9 months later, he actually yet again joined the Congress party back. So now this time around, this is the second time when he has actually joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Well, from a long time, Mr. Lovely was actually associated with the Congress party. In fact, he was a minister in Sheila Dikshit's cabinet, a tall leader in fact, but now he's holding hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party. When he resigned from his post of the DPCC president, he made one thing very clear, that he was not okay with the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, also with the kind of ticket distribution which was done. In fact, the particular candidate he talks about was Kanhaiya Kumar and Udit Raj. In fact, on the day when these two leaders were introduced to the working committee of the Congress in Delhi, there were huge protests. In fact, days after that only, he resigned from his post, stating that his words were not taken seriously in the party and his due was not given to him, as he was the president of the party. He was not able to make appointments, he was not able to meet the top brass. In fact, the sources has indicated that he was not able to meet the top leaders within the Congress party. In fact, he also said how he had a difference with the AICC Delhi in charge, Deepak Babaria. But now he stands with the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, while speaking to the press during joining, he maintains that this time around, this association with BJP is because of the people of the Delhi, because from the last many years that developmental work which he was trying to do, he was not able to because of the Congress party. And today he stands with the Bharatiya Janata Party once again in his second stint. This is Yash Goel with video journalist Chintan Dev Puri for CNN News 18.